Hello friends, this is Veronica from House of Cid, and you know what time it is. It's cafecito time, and today I have a new review for you of a brand new coffee, and I'm going to add another little treat to our review. So make sure you stick around for coffee reviews, coffee recipes, coffee adventures, and all things from the wonderful world of coffee. And if you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Go hit that subscription button and turn on the notifications so you know when all our videos are uploaded every Wednesday, every Sunday. Maybe I'll add an extra video here and there, but you don't want to miss out on all our cafecito videos, so stick around. Okay, as promised, today I have a review of another coffee that I showed you in my Mega Coffee Nespresso haul, and this is one that I haven't tried yet. There's quite a few from the original line that I haven't tasted, and today I'm finally going to try it. There is so many coffees I bought the other day that I've actually been waiting to try them, taste them, and make them on the machine until I make the video. So it's been very hard not being able to try these coffees until I make a video, but finally it's time to try the new World Explorations Shanghai Lungo. This is an actual brand new coffee because some of the other World Exploration Lungos were actually renamed and kind of tweaked a little bit, but they were already part of the Nespresso Lungo line. This one is a new one. It is called Shanghai Lungo, and it says, let's read what it says. Modern tradition, fruity with fine acidity. It is roastiness 2, bitterness 1, acidity 2, and body 2. Intensity 5 out of 13. It is a smooth blend of Arabicas from distinct origins to represent the diverse and forward-facing taste of a modern city like Shanghai. I've never been, but the packaging is intriguing. Look, you know, they always have to have the packaging to kind of coincide with like the theme. This one's got some like beautiful Asian-looking fans there. Can you see? A lungo, so 3.7 ounces. And I was just thinking, I think the lungos from the Virtuo are a little bit bigger, but we'll discuss that on another video. This one is only 3.7 ounces, fruity and fine acidity. Aroma notes are red fruit and berries. Ooh, berry sounds a little interesting. Origin, crafted from Kenyan, Chinese, and Indonesian Arabicas. This distinctive light roast, so it's a light roast, blend with the light roast blend will please the palate with its smoothness and fine berry notes. Aromatic profile of the Shanghai Lungo is fruity blend with aromatic notes reminiscent of oranges, peaches, and red fruit. Ooh, that sounds kind of good. Berry notes and the fine acidity add to the smoothness of the blend. One thing I'm noticing about these lungos, they don't really give you a lot of info or recommendations like how to drink it, how to make it. Oh, here it is. Enjoy it like a local. Lengthen this long cup of coffee with a splash of cream and take it on the go. Okay, so we're going to try it as it is. So let's open it up. And I showed you the box. I believe the price is not a lot, $7. So that's about the going rate for these lungos, and you get 10 of them. Okay, ooh, pretty. Okay, so just wanted to show you the capsule. They're red with the little design from the box on the capsule. That's what it looks like. You see? Can you guys see that? It does have the name on it. And yeah, it's a very, very nice looking capsule. Lungo Shanghai. Let's give it a try. My machine turned off. Let's get ready to make a Lungo Shanghai. Okay, so let's see. Like I said, I don't have Lungo cups, so I want to get some because I think it just looks a little better. But we're going to try it. Give it a taste. Ooh, the scent is fruity. Red fruit and berries. I think it's very interesting that not only is the coffee about the taste of the coffee, but also about the aroma and the scent. Okay, so let's see. Okay, so there we have it. Our Shanghai Lungo crema is not too thick, but it's there. I do smell a little bit of the fruitiness, like red berries, so I could actually smell it as soon as it started to brew. I was like, wow, that has a really good scent. So let's give it a taste. Ooh. Oh, this is pretty good. I do taste a little fruitiness. It is very low acidity, like it said. Fruitiness is very mild too. It's not a very strong fruity flavor, so that's good. It is, although it is only an intensity 5, it does have a little kick. It doesn't taste like it's a very, very mild coffee. Definitely really good. Give it a try. I know a lot of people say they don't like the low intensity coffees, but I think a lot of them, we have like this thing in our heads is going to taste too weak, you know, as far as coffee flavor, but this one does not. I really like it. Like I said, it's not very acidic. You do taste the fruity, but it's not like an overwhelming fruitiness. It's kind of a subtle, but you do have like almost like a little darker. It's on the medium darker side. I don't know if that makes sense. It's really good. Okay, so now we need to try it with our milk. Okay, let me go get our milk. Okay, let's try it with our milk. I'm not doing a recipe today because I couldn't really find a recipe on the Nespresso website or one that I thought would go well with this. So we're only going to try it with our milk, and I frothed some milk in here. So that's what they recommend. Let's give it a stir. Oh, that is so good. I really, really like this. The milk does help bring out some of those flavors. It kind of tones, I'm using 2% froth milk. It kind of tones down the fruitiness. So the fruitiness was very mild, but it kind of tones it down with the milk. So that's really good. And if you're hearing weird sounds, I apologize. There's construction going on outside my building, and even with double pane windows, you can still hear it. So if you hear it, sorry. That's really good. The milk, like I said, really kind of tones down the fruitiness of it, and it just gives you like a really good, like rich coffee taste. But another thing I wanted to kind of do a review and talk to you guys about, if you saw my haul, mega haul, and I showed you some of the freebies I got from Nespresso because I bought a certain number of capsules. I think it was 9 capsules. I was sent 2 free boxes of these cookies. If you didn't know, Nespresso on their website also sells chocolates and cookies to kind of pair with your coffee. And these cookies, let's see if I could get some info here. So these other cookies are called Cantuccinis. And that's what they look like on the outside. So yeah, they're kind of like biscottis. It says 10 biscuits, 10 almond biscuits. And I wanted to show you not only what the box looks like. So you open them up. There is 10 of them in here, and they are individually wrapped. Individually wrapped like this, so that's pretty good. You could take them with you on the go. So I'm going to open them, and they are a little bit hard, but the reason they're hard is because they're meant to be dipped with your coffee. And that's what they look like. Cantuccinis. They're pretty little. They are small, as you can see. But they do have big, nice chunks of almonds in there. I was actually very shocked because a lot of times you'll buy cookies and it'll say almonds or nuts, but it's like tiny little pieces. No, this has like big whole pieces of almonds. Can you see? So yeah, that's what it looks like. And it is kind of hard, but it's meant to be dipped in your coffee. And like I was saying, yes, they are pretty small. But when I was reading the box, it actually says a serving is 3 cookies. So not too bad. So you're allowed to eat up to 3 cookies. Just so you guys know. Okay, so anyways, let's eat them with our coffee. They're actually, like I said, hard, but they're meant to be dipped. So you dip it in your coffee. And don't dip it for too long because then it'll get a little too soft and soggy. They actually are pretty tasty. Almond. It might even have a little hint of citrus. It doesn't say, but maybe because of the fruitiness of the coffee. I don't know, but I'm tasting a little citrus with this. So yeah, if you're interested, give them a try. I believe they are good. Like I said, they're meant to be dipped. That's why they're a little hard. I do like that they're individually wrapped, so you can, take them with you in your purse if you want to. They won't, if you open the box, they won't go stale. They're pretty tasty. I believe, I want to say the cost is about $6 a box. So not the cheapest cookie, but they are, yes, they are imported, product of Italy, from Nespresso. They are good. Would I buy these all the time? Probably not. I'm glad I got them for free with my order to taste, which is really good. But yeah, it's actually, these kinds of cookies are really good. They're not super sweet, which is good, but it does kind of bring out the flavors in the coffee. I'll leave you guys the link for the coffee, for the cookies. If you're interested, it is very tasty. I'm adding this to my buy again list, Shanghai Lungo. And I do like the Lungos because, you get more than just a shot. And sometimes I'll make 2, and that's like my morning coffee, which is really good. But yeah, give the Cantuccini a try. Very tasty. It's not something that I would always buy, but, sometimes you want a little special treat for your coffee. Try these. They are definitely good. Like I said, they're hard, but you dip them in your coffee. And yeah, I recommend the Cantuccinis. I recommend the Shanghai Lungo. I recommend that you subscribe to our channel and give us a thumbs up if you're enjoying our videos. And that's all I have for you guys today. Try the Shanghai, try the Cantuccini, And we'll see you guys next week for more cafecito time. In the meantime, let's finish up this coffee. And next week, hopefully I'll have a recipe for you with another coffee review. So thanks everyone for watching. I really appreciate you taking the time to watch our channel. Give us thumbs up, leave comments, let me know, have you tried the Shanghai Lungo? What did you think about it? Have you tried the cookies from Nespresso? And I know they also have some chocolates. Let me know what you have tried, or if you have some recommendations for me to try that I have not yet reviewed or tried from Nespresso. Okay guys, that's it. Thanks everyone for watching. We'll see you guys next time.